Question number 9. In figure x, y and x dash y dash are two parallel tangents to a circle with center O and another tangent AB with point of contact C intersecting xy at A and x dash y dash at B. Prove that angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. Given diagram is center O, P, A, Y, Y dash, B, Q, X dash and X. Let O be the center of circle tangent AB be the point of contact C intersects XY at A and X dash Y dash at B. To prove angle AOB is 90 degree. Construction: join OA, OB and OC. Join OA, OB and OC. Proof: in triangle AOP and triangle AOC, PA is equal to AC, length of tangent, and OA is equal to OA, common side. And OC is equal to OP, radius. By SSS rule, triangle AOP is congruent to triangle AOC. And by CPCT, corresponding part of congruent triangle are equal. PAO is equal to CAO. Angle PAO is equal to angle CAO by CPCT. PAC, so angle PAC is equal to double of angle OAC. Its equation first, and similarly QBC, angle QBC is equal to 2 times of angle OBC. PAC is equal to double of angle OAC, and similarly we can write QBC is equal to double of angle OBC. It's equation number second. Equation first is PAC is equal to double of angle OAC, and QBC is equal to angle double of angle OBC. It's equation second. Adding first and second equation, we get angle PAC plus angle QBC is equal to 2 times of angle OAC plus 2 times of angle OBC. 2 times of angle OAC plus 2 times of angle OBC is equal to 180 degree. PAC plus QBC, angle PAC plus angle QBC is equal to 180 degree. This implies angle OAC plus angle OBC is equal to 180. 2 is taking common and 2 divides this, that is 90 degree. Angle OAC plus angle OBC is equal to 90 degree. In triangle AOB, angle AOB plus angle OAC plus angle OBC is equal to 180 degree, and we have angle OAC plus angle OBC is 90 degree. This implies angle AOB plus 90 degree is equal to 180, and shifting right side, this implies angle AOB is equal to 180 minus 90 degree. This implies angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. Hence proved. In given diagram, let O be the center of the circle and tangent AB be the point of contact C intersect at XY at point A and X dash Y dash at point V. And we want to prove angle AOB is equal to angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. And construction join OA, OB, OC, and in triangle AOP and triangle AOC, AOP and triangle AOC, length PA is equal to AC, length of tangent, and OA is common side, OP is equal to radii of circle, and triangle AOP is congruent to triangle AOC by SSS rule, and angle is equal by CPCT. Corresponding part of the congruent triangle are equal, so by CPCT angle PAO is equal to angle CAO. PAO is equal to angle CAO, and angle PAC is equal to double of angle OAC. Equation first, and similarly in QBC angle is equal to double of angle OBC. It's equation number second. And from equation first and second, we are adding equation first and second, we get angle PAC plus angle QBC. PAC plus angle QBC is equal to double of angle OAC plus double of angle OBC. 2 times of angle OAC plus 2 times of angle OBC is equal to, their sum is 180 degree. PAC plus angle QBC is equal to 180 degree, and 2 is taking common and divides 180, then we get angle OAC plus angle OBC is equal to 90 degree, and it's 90 degree. In triangle AOB, angle AOB plus OAC plus OBC is equal to 180 degree. OAC plus angle OBC is equal to 180 degree, and their sum is equal to 90 degree. We get OAC plus angle OBC is 90 degree, put in here, and angle AOB is equal to 180 minus 90 plus 90 equal to 180, and shifting 90 right side, angle AOB is equal to 180 minus 90, that is equal to 90 degree. Angle AOB is equal to 90 degree, hence proved. Question number 10. Prove that the angle between the two tangents drawn from an external point to a circle is supplementary to the angle subtended by the line segment joining the points of contact at the center. Center point PA and B. Let PA and PB be the two tangents. And OA is perpendicular to AP, comma, OB is perpendicular to BP. So angle OAP is equal to angle OBP, that is 90 degree. Radius and tangents are perpendicular to each other. OAPB in quadrilateral OAPB angle OAP plus angle OBP plus angle APB plus angle AOB is equal to 360 degree. As we know that sum of all angles of quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. 90 degree plus 90 degree plus angle APB plus angle AOB is equal to 360 degree. 90 plus 90 is equal to 180, and shifting right side we get angle APB plus angle AOB is equal to 360 degree minus 180 degree. We are shifting right side, that will be minus 180, and 360 minus 180, that is 180. So angle APB plus angle AOB is equal to 180 degree. Hence proved. Let O be the center of circle and B draw PA and PB are two tangents. OA is perpendicular to AP and OB is perpendicular to BP. Angle OAP is equal to angle OBP, each 90 degree, and radius and tangents are perpendicular to each other. In quadrilateral OAPB, sum of all angles equal to 360 degree. OAP plus OBP plus APB plus AOB equal to 360. Sum of all angles of quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. Angle OAP is equal to OPB 90 degree. 90 degree plus 90 degree plus angle APB plus angle AOB equal to 360. 90 plus 90, that is 180, and we are shifting 180 right side, that will be negative minus 180, and 360 minus 180 equal to 180 degree. So angle APB plus angle OAB equal to 180 degree, hence proved.